Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to change username on Facebook. First of all, you need to open the Facebook app. Tap on the three horizontal lines in top right corner and tap on setting and privacy. After that, tap on settings. In account center, tap on personal details. Tap on the profiles. Tap on the Facebook account. After tapping Facebook account, tap on username. Just delete it. And type your desired username. Remember, you can only change it once every 60 days. And tap on done. You might be asked to enter your password for security purpose. If prompted, then enter your current password and tap submit. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.